So we cut holes from the attic going down to the garage. Do a little quick walkthrough. Attic entrance here. Got the DVR for the lockbox. All the cameras around the house go here. No key. I put blue tape. Camera on the outside looking down on the gate. Going this route. Grab the ladder and grab these 2 pieces of blue tape. Cut holes in this room from the attic down to the office to run data wires and a camera wire and a camera at the front door. Over here in the loft, we ran data jacks to run from here going throughout the house, master bedroom, office, the DVR and the lockbox. We got wire going this way to handle the living room TV. Recording a quick video. Okay, so from here, the wires came out. One wire goes here, data. Another wire goes here, data. And then from here goes straight out to a first camera. Second camera would be here. And then in the living room, we popped out here, go straight across to the main screen TV. That way he can watch the DVR and he's got full control over the DVR plus internet. In the garage, where the restroom was at, we popped out here, we went to here, from here, go to this one, and then from this one went to the corner. And now, cameras are up.
We are done.